This is the DXRacer tank series, and if you're looking for a big chair, I don't think you can buy any bigger chair than this one here. This can handle up to 300 pounds, and if you're a tall dude, I don't think that's gonna be an issue here. So first thing first, so if I'm sitting here, so right now it's at its lowest point, so my feet are touching the ground right now, so I'm around 5'11", and if I go ahead and adjust the height here, so right now my feet don't even touch the ground. And as you can see here, I have plenty of room on my sides here, at the back as well. This Master Series has been my daily driver and it fits me perfectly, haven't had any issues. And then when I sat on this, it kind of makes me look a little bit tiny. Even though the Master Series here is big, the tank definitely takes the cake here. And just note, it's gonna be taking a little bit more space than your average chair. And here we can see we get a large headrest support, which is magnetic, and you can go ahead and put it lower or higher here. And it is very soft, so it's kind of like memory foam. So it definitely feels very nice here. And then down here we got the magnetic lumbar support as well. So if you want to go ahead and use one of these, same thing here. So definitely soft, and you're able to go ahead and put it higher, lower, and it just stays in place. And it's not like it's gonna go down. So even like if you can see here, if I'm like hitting it, it's not gonna really go down. It has very strong magnets. And take a look at the seat here. Definitely on the firmer side, as you can see, it's kind of like really hard to press. And then also the sides are a little bit softer here. And just checking out the width here in centimeters, from the end to end here. So around 62 centimeters in total before the side begins here. So we're getting around 35 centimeters. And checking out the length, we get around 55 centimeters here. And checking out the backrest here, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the measurements for this one. We get around 64 centimeters. And just this area around 36 centimeters. And just checking out the height of the whole backrest here. And the whole backrest area here comes to 90 centimeters. So everything this chair is using is more on the heavy duty side. Even the hydraulic system, it's using the class 4 hydraulics, and the base here, the tilt mechanism, that's more of a heavy duty compared to my Master Series chair. So definitely different, so the hydraulic system different. And we also get the heavy duty base here, which comes with 3-inch casters. One thing with the armrest, so right now it's all the way to the end, so it's all the way out. So if you want to go ahead and put it more inwards, you can go ahead and unscrew these and put it a little bit more inwards. Checking out the armrests here, so you're able to put them all the way back, or this is how front they go to. Able to rotate. And then to bring them a little bit more inwards, and obviously up and down. And everything is pretty sturdy. Like I've had the Master Series for a while now. I've been using that chair. It has essentially the same thing, and they're pretty strong. And the top here doesn't get really ripped that easily, which is nice. A few things about this chair. If you're looking for a manual a lumbar support adjustment or anything like that, this chair does not have any of those functions. It does have this pillow, magnetic pillow, which you can just go ahead and put anywhere here, which fits nicely. And usually I don't need to take it off, because with most of other chairs, you kind of need to take this off because there's no like leg room. But this one, you can definitely go ahead and just leave it there. The other thing is, if you're looking for a plush, soft chair, this one is more on the firm side. So, and if you're on the heavier side and sitting on this chair, probably that's what you prefer. But that's something you're not getting here. This thing is really like very firm here. And on the side here, you can see there's like no bolts or anything because we have this piece that's hiding it. It's magnetic. And if you ever want to clean your chair, it just makes it easier to take this off, clean it, then put it back on. And looking at the back, just nice clean finish and the DXRacer logo up there. If you're someone who's like under 6 feet and looking to get this chair, I don't think that's a really good fit, because like you're just taking more space at your desk without the need to. Really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this chair, or if there's anything that I missed, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer it. I'll see you in the next video.